Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dawn. Hello. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing my Valentine's decor tour. So I'm going to show you how I decorate for Valentine's Day. I don't go crazy, but I do like to put out some decorations to make it kind of cute for the season. And also you'll see my Dunn Valentine's collection. And before we get started, I just want to say thank you for all of the new subscribers here. I appreciate it so much. You guys just don't know how much I appreciate it. But also I wanted to say don't forget to subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna start in the entryway. So this is my front door. I have this heart wreath on the door and this is from Target. I'll get a little closer so you guys can see the details. So it looks like little berries are on there and it's in the shape of a heart. And in my entryway I have this little bench here, and if you are curious, the bench is from Hobby Lobby. But I put a pillow and this adorable gnome here. So the pillow I got from Marshall's and the gnome is from TJ Maxx. A little close up of the detail for you there. And all of this stuff is currently still available. The gnomes are a little bit hard to find, but if you're still looking to decorate for Valentine's Day, here are some ideas for you. And then on my kitchen table, I have this cute little spread here as a centerpiece. I have this floral centerpiece that I got from HomeGoods, and it looks like those are tulips, I believe. I'm not really a flower connoisseur, but I do like flowers, so that's what that looks like. And then we've got these adorable little birds that I got from Target. So there's the girl version, and then there's a little boy version. I just thought they were so adorable. And Target comes out with these seasonally now. I started collecting them in the fall and they're just so cute. And if you're looking for them, they're in the regular Valentine's Day section, not in the dollar spot. The table runner is from Target as well. That's from the dollar spot. And it is longer, but I like to fold mine to look a little shorter so they're like right in the middle of the table, just like that. Sorry about the shadowing, guys. It's nighttime and I have to have the kitchen light on. But by my sink, I have this little setup, and it's not particularly Valentine's related, I guess, but it's the colors, so I wanted to show it. I have my winter candy apple soap from Bath & Body Works. That's the hand soap. And then I have the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint dish soap. I'm still loving the peppermint dish soap. It smells so good, guys. And then I got this cute little cat sponge holder from HomeGoods. And then here on the sink, excuse the dishes, they are clean, they're drying. But I got this towel from HomeGoods and there was a set of two, so I just thought it was so pretty. I love pink and hearts for Valentine's Day if you haven't already noticed. And then on top of the microwave here, I have just these cute little signs. One of them says, P.S. I love you, and that's from the Target dollar spot. And that was only $1, it's just super cute. I'm gonna show you, it's got like glitter on the top. It's just so pretty. And then the candle I got from the Target dollar spot as well. And then also this countdown is from the Target dollar spot. I got that in the fall. I'm not sure if they still have them right now, but it's got all the different holidays on there, which is super cute. And then here next to my oven, I've got a Dunn crock, and that is a decal on it. It's the Happy Spring crock. It's got pink inside, if you can see the pink. And I just got a little decal for it that says Happy Valentine's Day, and I just love it, guys. I think it's just so pretty. And then I've got just a pink candle here from Bath & Body Works. It's the Twisted Peppermint. On the other side of my oven, I've got my Dunn canisters. So I've got the flour, the sugar, and the yum, and I went ahead and tied some ribbon on there. I just thought the ribbon made a nice little touch to it, so I did that. And guys, how cute is the baby yum? I just love that canister so much. On my actual oven, I have these towels. These are also from the Target dollar spot, and they kind of match the table runner. The towels are a little bit brighter than the table runner, but I just thought they were adorable. And these towels came with pot holders, oven mitts, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you real quick what they look like. Aren't those just adorable? So this set right here came with the red ones, and then another set that I'm going to show you came with the pink, but I needed new pot holders, so I thought that was a steal. A towel and a pot holder was $3 each, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. My fridge, I know this is super random, but I've got a new calendar on here, and it's pink, it's cute, it's from the Target dollar spot. And that little white erase board is too, if you're wondering, and that was from last spring. Then I have this cute little pad that has hearts on it, that's from the Target dollar spot as well. And little pictures of Noelle up there. She's so adorable. And then here in my little corner, this is something new I put in my kitchen, guys, and I'll walk you through it when I do my kitchen tour, but let's just admire how cute it is. Isn't it cute? But to make it Valentine's themed, I got these cute little wooden spoons, and I got them from Macari. There's a girl on there that makes them and puts the Dunn writing on them. And I just had the white ones in there, but I added the pink ones for Valentine's Day. But I think I'm gonna keep them up year round because I really like them. So we got one that says kiss, we've got stir, love, bake, hugs, and mix. And they came with little bows on them. And then here I've got some towels. So this Life is What You Bake It is from the Target Dollar Spot. That's one of the towels that came with the pot holder. And then I got this cute little heart donut towel from Home Goods, and each of them were in a set of 2. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other 2 yet, but I thought they just looked so pretty, and they match the little pie bakery theme I have going on in this corner and also just generally in my kitchen. And then finally we made it to my coffee station. This is just my favorite part of my kitchen, you guys. I just love it so much. So I'm gonna walk you through where I got everything. What do you guys think? I think it came out adorable. I'm such a big fan of pink and white, and pink is my favorite color. Okay, I'm gonna start here. So I've got my Dunn heart mug there. It's the black heart mug with the red inside, and it does have the small heart on the back. I have this fall whipped cream topper up here, and I got that from Macari. And it's just so cute. It's glittery. I hope it's focusing, but it's glittery, and it's got little XOXOs on it and a little straw. I just thought that was a cute little addition. And I have this Happy Valentine's Day sign, which I also got off Macari, and the girl that did that one also made these cute little rolling pins. How cute are they? So this one says sweetheart. This one says love. And if you notice, that's the same ribbon I had tied on my canisters. She was sweet and sent me some extra ribbon so I can tie it on my canisters to match. And then down here in the back, I've got the Pink Dot sugar and creamer set. I just thought that was so adorable. I love that little pink tip on the lid of the sugar container. I've got these 2 little marshmallows. They're very popular with Dunn Decor. And let me pick this up and see who they're made by. So they're made by this brand right here, 180 Degrees. I bought them off Macari. They do have them on Amazon too in a set of 4, but I only wanted these 2 because they had the little pink details on them. And then I have some stir sticks in here, and they say love on them, and I got those from the Target Dollar Spot. This mini mug right here, I got it from the same girl who made the signs and the rolling pins up there. There's a couple things on here that she made, and she just did a great job. I can put her shop name in the description box if you guys are interested. She also did this cute truck with hearts in the back sign. And then I have my Valentine's Day canisters here. So I got the pink cake stand from the Target Dollar Spot. And then there's another one of those rolling pins that say Valentine. They came in a set of 3. And then I have my XOXO canister that I got in my tray that you guys saw in my last video. And then here's the pink heart decal one I was telling you guys about. I bought a baby canister on clearance. It has like a rolling pin on the back of it, I think. But the clearance price was only like $6 or $8. And then I bought the pink heart decal to put on it. So I thought that was just very cute. And then I tied those matching ribbons on top. And then here I have a sign that says February 14th, and the same girl who made the other signs and the rolling pins made that as well. And then down here I have my little mini Dunn Love tray, and I've got another one of those little mugs there, and I just put some candy hearts and some Hershey's candy on there. And you guys, if you haven't tried these, they're chocolate hearts filled with strawberry cream. They are so good. Over here, this is not Valentine's related, but these are the mugs that I have displayed most of the time. They're my pink inside mugs that I just love so much. And then over on my coffee maker, guys, I got the sweetheart mug. And then up here I have all of my Valentine's mugs hanging. They're all red inside. So I've got hugs, kisses, the red heart one with the little red heart on the back, love, and XOXO. And then the banner on top of that I got from the Target Dollar Spot, and they're just wooden hearts. I thought that added a nice little finishing touch on it. So there is another overview of my coffee station. I just love it so much. You guys, Ever since I added this coffee bar in my kitchen, it has just brightened up the kitchen, and it brightens up my day every day to just have a cute little place to make coffee and decorate. So that is it for my Valentine's home decor and my Valentine's Rae Dunn collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little inspiration if you haven't decorated for Valentine's yet, if you feel like you want to, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.